How to tag everyone on Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can tag or mention everyone on the group in Messenger app. Now it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide you. First, what you want to do is head into your Play Store or App Store and make sure your Messenger app is updated to the latest version. If you haven't updated, you'll get the update option instead of this open option that you can see on the screen right now. So make sure to update it, as this feature is the latest feature that is available only after the update. So simply update your app and then open up Messenger and then head into the chat or the group chat that you want to mention everyone on. Now I'll just head into this group here, particular group. As you can see, now to mention everyone or to tag everyone, what you need to do is on write a message where you type your message, simply type in first @ and you'll find the list of friends that is available in the group, and then at the bottom you'll be able to see everyone. Or if you don't find this everyone, what you can do is simply type in everyone, or you can just type in few words, few letters, and then you'll see the option everyone, mention everyone in this chat. Simply select everyone option and simply send it, and everyone will be tagged or everyone will be mentioned. So this way you can tag everyone on Messenger app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.